Carbon upcycling is helping our industry's transition to a net zero future. The company transforms waste and carbon emissions from one industry into valuable materials for another. Their circular approach to the climate crisis encourages collaboration, diverting wastes from landfills into a valuable resource for our economy.
At Carbon Upcycling, we're all about second chances. I believe that if we're willing to re-examine what we thought we knew about people, places, or concepts like waste, such as carbon emissions, we might actually find that they're full of potential.
With their Made in Calgary technology, Carbon Upcycling is tackling some of the greatest challenges of our time: exponential volumes of industrial waste and carbon emissions. While their low-carbon materials have been used in plastics and consumer products, their primary objective aims to reduce the emissions of our buildings, roads, and communities by producing a material that replaces cement and permanently locks carbon away in concrete. Inside their patented reactor, CO2 emissions chemically bind to waste material, producing a powdered cement replacement. They can upcycle a variety of wastes through this process, like glass, steel, coal ash, clays, and more.
This is our first reactor that we built back in 2014, and it processed roughly about 100 grams of material per batch. Since then, we've scaled the reactor to produce 20 tons per day of material, and now we're working with our partners to process over 200 tons a day of waste material and sequestered carbon that will ultimately be used as high-performing building materials.
We have partnered with a local concrete company that helps us supply the City of Calgary and other developers in the city with low carbon concrete to help reduce the carbon impact of the sidewalks, buildings, and homes that we all live in. Together, we've reduced the carbon intensity of sidewalks at the City of Calgary, in home foundations, in a large pathway at the TELUS Spark Outdoor Park, and even gutter systems at the Calgary Zoo.
Carbon upcycling is representing Calgary innovation and technology on a global stage, with 5 commercial projects across Alberta, Ontario, the US, and Europe.
Carbon Upcycling is on a mission to be the most impactful carbon tech company of this decade. This means innovating, rolling up our sleeves, taking calculated risks with our partners, and giving waste and carbon emissions a second chance.
Carbon Upcycling Technologies aligns with the City of Calgary's initiative to reduce pollution and divert waste from landfills through upcycling and capturing carbon emissions. In this way, Carbon Upcycling is building a circular economy and pushing us all one step closer to a more sustainable future.